Did you know the universe has a soundscape of its own? While space is a vacuum where sound cannot travel, scientists have used data from cosmic phenomena like black holes, neutron stars, and supernova to create soundscapes. For example, the supermassive black hole at the center of the Perseus galaxy emits sound waves that have been translated into an eerie hum, a B-flat note, 57 octaves below middle C. This cosmic symphony reveals the hidden melodies of the cosmos, giving us a unique way to experience the universe.